Here's another tip to make your espresso even better. If you want your espresso even hotter, preheat the machine before brewing. Install the portafilter to the brew head without the coffee grounds, and place a coffee cup that will hold the hot water under the portafilter. Press the single or double cup option to let high-pressure water flow through the interior of the machine, the brew head, and portafilter. This preheat step ensures the espresso's temperature won't be affected by the cold stainless steel, giving you an even hotter cup.